Chapter 6. Cooking food. Get set. We eat different kinds of food. Some of the food items can be eaten raw. Tick the food items which can be eaten raw. There are different kinds of food items that we consume. The food we eat may be served raw or cooked, depending on what type of food it is. We do not eat certain fruits and vegetables, like cucumber. However, all foods cannot be consumed raw, like we cannot eat uncooked wheat flour, rice, fish or chicken. If these foods are eaten raw, they can make us sick. Cooking is the preparation of food by the process of heating. Cooking makes food tasty and easy to digest. It also kills the germs that are present in some raw foods. Cooked food is less perishable and it is also tasty. Let us read about some cooking methods. Cooking methods. There are different methods of cooking, which usually fall into two groups: wet cooking and dry cooking. Wet cooking involves the use of water and dry cooking is done without the use of water. Boiling potatoes is an example of wet cooking, while frying potatoes is an example of dry cooking. Wet cooking. Boiling: in this method, food is cooked in water. The water is heated till the food is cooked. This method is commonly used for cooking rice, eggs, pasta and vegetables. Milk and water are boiled to make them free of germs. Steaming. In this method, food is cooked in the steams that rises from boiling water. Idli, momos, dhokla and fish are cooked using this method. Steaming is a healthy way of cooking. Pressure cooking. In this method, cooking is done by boiling food in a sealed vessel. Sealing the vessel produces a lot of steam and food gets cooked by both water and steam. Pressure cooking is much faster than boiling. Rice, pulses and potatoes are usually pressure cooked. Dry cooking. Baking. Cooking in the dry heat of an oven is called baking. For example, breads, cakes and cookies are baked. Some people like to eat baked vegetables too. Roasting. In this method, food is cooked on an open fire or a high-temperature oven. We eat roasted peanuts, cashews or roasted chicken. Frying. Cooking food in hot oil without any water is called frying. Frying can be done in less oil, shallow frying, for making pancakes and dosa. Frying can also be done by dipping the food completely in oil, deep frying, for making samosas and potato chips. Grilling. In this method, dry heat inside a griller is used to cook food. A griller is a frame of metal bars. We grill vegetables, fish and meat. Heating sources and fuels. A pressure stove fuel, kerosene oil. A chulha fuel, wood and coal. A gas stove fuel, cooking gas. An electric heater fuel, electricity. A solar heater fuel, sunlight. Microwave oven fuel, electricity. Did you know? Gobar gas is a clean fuel. It is made from cow dung and does not pollute the environment. It can be used to cook food and light lamps. Vessels used for cooking. The objects we use in our kitchen are called cooking vessels. Their shape and size vary to suit the cooking technique. Cooking vessels can be flat, shallow, deep. They are made from stainless steel, aluminium and copper. Some vessels are made of ceramic, porcelain and Pyrex glass. Pressure cooker, rolling pin, mixing bowls, pot, frying pan, mortar and pestle, serving spoon, sieve. Kitchen safety tips. We must always be careful while using kitchen knives and scissors. Always use gloves or tongs to hold hot vessels and wear an apron to protect clothes. We must wash our hands before working in the kitchen. Hot air and smoke should be removed from kitchen through chimneys and exhaust fans. If we get burned accidentally, we must immediately wash the area with cold water and apply medicine. If necessary, we must visit a doctor. Eating with the family. Members of a family eat their meals together. Usually, they eat the same food. However, sometimes some members have preferences. Some members may like to have simple food or do not eat non-vegetarian food. If there are babies in the family, they will feed on mother's milk only until the age of 6 months. Thereafter, light food items like mashed banana, potatoes, rice, etc. can be given to them. Old people would like to eat simple, easy to digest, small meals. Similarly, if there are people who do a lot of physical activity, their quantity of food intake would be higher than the others. Therefore, food intake depends on your physical activity and age as well. Summary. Cooking is preparing food by the process of heating. Wet cooking and dry cooking are two types of cooking. Some wet cooking methods are boiling, steaming and pressure cooking. Some dry cooking methods are baking, roasting and frying. The choice of cooking method depends upon the type of food, facilities available and taste preferences. Exercise. A. Tick the correct option. 1. Sunlight is used as a fuel in A. Gas stove, B. Solar heater, C. Chilla. 2. Rice is eaten. A. Boiled, B. Grilled, C. Roasted. 3. Mangoes are mostly eaten. A. Raw, B. Fried, C. Boiled. 4 puris are A. Shallow fried, B. Deep fried, C. Roasted. 5 cookies are A. Grilled, B. Baked, C. Roasted. 'B' fill in the blanks. 1 is the preparation of food by the process of heating. 2. Cooking food makes the food. 3. The objects we use in our kitchen are called. 4. We must always be careful while using. 5 is done in an oven or over fire. C. Tick the correct sentences and cross the wrong one. 1. Food is cooked in a variety of ways. 2. Cake and cookies are fried. 3. Gobar gas is a clean fuel. 4. Boiling means to cook in hot oil. 5. We must wash our hands before working in the kitchen. D. Which method of cooking should be used for? 1. Making pizza. 2. Making dhokla. 3. Making pakoras. 4. Making cookies. 5. Making parantha. E. Answer the following questions. 1. Why is food cooked? 2. Define cooking vessels. 3. Name 5 cooking utensils that are commonly used. 4. What is used to make gobar gas? 5. Explain the terms roasting and boiling. Activity 1. Given below are pictures of some utensils used for cooking food. Write their names. 2. There are 7 easy steps to make sprout salad. They have been jumbled. Look at the pictures and write the steps in order. Add a pinch of salt. Soak the dal for 5 to 6 hours. Your sprout salad is ready. Cut small pieces of onion, green chilies, carrot and tomatoes. Mix the sprout, vegetables and a pinch of salt. Mix a few drops of lemon. Remove water from the dal. Wrap it in a wet cloth. Wait for it to sprout. Life skill. How is cooking done in your home? Answer the following questions. 1. Is the cooking done in a pressure cooker? 2. Is the food cooked in just enough water? 3. Is the pan covered with a lid during the cooking of food?